Okay, so now we're going to work on computer activity 4 with our Bumblebee loops. This correlates with lesson 8 in code.org. So if you would like to go online and do lesson 8 in code.org, you can, but it's not required. I just need the worksheet back to get you a grade. So in this lesson, you need to help your bee collect nectar from the flowers and make honey in the honeycombs. And it's important to pay attention to the number that's on the flower and or the honey for how many times your bee has to do something. So for puzzle number 1, you need to use a repeat loop to collect all of the nectar using only 5 blocks. So remember, if you say it out loud, sometimes it helps you hear the pattern for your repeat. Move forward, get nectar, get nectar, get nectar, get nectar. So we are doing the get nectar 4 times. You could, I suppose, put the move forward inside of a repeat loop as well, since we're doing it more than once. And remember, we get nectar from the flowers. He is not making honey at all in this activity. So the answer for puzzle 1 is A, letter A. For puzzle 2, we're going to use the repeat block to collect all of the nectar and make all of the honey. So he's going to be doing both in this puzzle. So again, if we say it out loud, move forward, get nectar, get nectar, get nectar, get nectar, move forward, make honey, make honey, make honey, make honey. So letter A has you moving forward 2 times, but is that what we said? Let's try it and see. No, if we move forward 2 times right away, we're going to skip the flower and getting the nectar altogether. So that's not the right answer. We said move forward, get nectar 4 times. So that's what we need to do. Now that'll help us get the nectar. But then we need to move forward again and then make honey. How many times do we need to make the honey? Look at the number, 4. Again, that's 4. So 4 get nectars, 4 make honeys. And that means our answer for puzzle number 2 is letter B. Letter B. For puzzle number 3, we need to help the bee visit each one of these flowers, and we have to do it by using 7 blocks or less if we can. Now this one looks complicated, but it's not. So let's say it out loud. What's the very first thing our bee has to do? He can't move forward because there's no flower here. He needs to turn left. Move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar, turn left. Move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar, turn left. Move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar. Do you hear a pattern there? What are we repeating? We are having our bee turn left, move forward, get nectar. Correct? So he's doing that two times for each side. Good. Now we can think of this like a shape. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. So he needs to repeat all of those blocks 3 times. And how many blocks does that give us? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So hopefully this is the right answer. Let's try it and see. Great job. So the answer for puzzle 3 is letter B. Letter B. Now for the last one on your worksheet, this one is a little trickier because it uses nested loops, which are loops inside of another loop. But we can break it down and make it a little more simple. So, our bee needs to move forward, get nectar 2 times, move forward, make honey 2 times, move forward, get nectar 2 times, move forward, make honey 2 times, move forward, get nectar 2 times, move forward, make honey 2 times. So what did we just say? Move forward, get nectar 2 times. And then we said he needs to move forward and make honey 2 times. Correct? How many times does he need to do that? Let's check. That's 1, 2, 3. So he needs to do all of these steps 3 times. So we're going to put all of these steps inside of another repeat loop. This is where it's nested. These loops are inside of this bigger loop. Let's try that and make sure that works. And he is a happy bumblebee. So the answer for puzzle 4 is letter A. If you can get your parents to snap a picture of your completed worksheets with the answers circled and email them to me, that would be fantastic. If your parents can't do that, just drop them off at one of the drop-off sites. Stay well, my friends. I miss you.